Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, it's my first day under Chris Chong.
Hi, welcome on your first day. Please follow me.
So here's the TA sourcing area. So please sit wherever you want.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Hi, Nels, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I just had something to do. I'll catch you later.
All right. Nice to meet you. It's okay. You can continue with your meeting. I'll just sit here. Oops. Sorry.
Uy, where kayo mag-lunch? Ayan, masyado namang FC. Uy, sama niya naman ako sa lunch. Mas lumala naman pagiging feeling close ko nito. Uy, taga naman.
Ay, nakaalis na sila. So sad.
And this is our meeting room. Welcome to the team.
Welcome, our Pambansang Mars.
Love it. Thank you, team. I super appreciate it. Thank you so much for your warm and sweet welcome. Natouch naman ako.
Nels, we want you to feel how we appreciate you joining the team. Welcome to Manila HRSD team.
Thank you.
Oh, it was awkward moment.
Icebreaker para iwas awkward moments. Moments?
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry po.
Wala pong naiwan dito natin. We want you to feel yes, the entry natin.
Sinubo muna.
Ah, si Andy mo subo.
Kita.
Okay.